Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. In the previous videos I had covered lower abs, upper abs and obliques. But I'm getting a lot of offline messages and comments on my video saying that how to follow these ab workouts. So what I thought is I'll make a 4 series abs workout. So you can, by seeing this, you can get to know how to follow the pattern of the each upper and lower and obliques workout. So before following these series, make sure you watch all those 3 abs workout, like lower, upper and the obliques, because you're going to get the right breathing pattern and how to avoid lower back pain and people who have neck pain. I have explained in that my previous videos. So this video will be the series 1 abs workout. In the series 1, what I'll do is I'll be covering 1 lower, 1 upper and 1 obliques and 1 plank for the whole core. In the series 2, what I'll be adding again lower 2 variations, upper 2 variations, obliques 2 variations and the plank. In the third series, like abs workout, I'm talking 4 series. In the third series, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 lower. It's going to be a little advanced. Every series, what I'm going to do, the intensity is going to increase and the variations are going to increase, and the 4th one will be a really high dynamic abs workout. That is what we have decided. So it will be like 4 series. So in the first series, what I'll be covering is for the upper crunch, for the lower double leg raises, for the obliques cycle crunches, and for the whole core we are going to do a 1 minute plank. So this will be the series 1 ab workout. So before starting any workout, as in all my videos, I always concentrate on the warm up and the cool down. So first I'll introduce to my fitness partner today. Natasha is here. So we'll start with the warm up first. Okay, this is warm up for the ab workout. Okay, now lie down on your abdomen first. Hands beside your lower chest, feet close, toes pointing out. 3 times cobra here. Inhale up, slight elbows bend, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, now back. Now from here you go back to lie down on your back from here. Both legs straight. Bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Now rock and roll. Tap your toes 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And so this was your warm up for the abs exercise. So people who are intermediate and advanced can follow me. Beginners, lower back pain, neck pain can follow Natasha. So first one will concentrate on the upper abs. Upper crunch. Okay, hands behind your ears. Exhale when you come up. Inhale back, 15 counts of this. Legs into tabletop, feet apart and knees apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now back to lower abs. For the lower abs, now normal double leg raises. Exhale up, inhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now next one will be the cycle crunches 30. Okay, for the obliques. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay, now the next one will be the core 1 minute plank. Okay, so now here, start now, back. Keep breathing here. Don't push your lower back. "15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now see, if you have to do this 3 sets of 15 of upper crunch, 15 of double leg raises, 30 of oblique crunches, and 1 minute plank. If you are beginner and advanced, you can start with the lesser reps like 10 each of all these 3, and 30 seconds of plank you can do. If you are advanced and beginner, you can do 3 sets of 15, 15 and 30 of obliques and 1 minute plank if you are advanced. So always remember, now we are going to end the workout with a cool down. Lie down on your abdomen. It's always important to stretch your lower back when you're doing abs. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, now from here you go to child pose for a while. Stretch only your palm down, place your butt on your ankle, stretch. From there, now lie down on your abdomen. Bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back, change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. One more time. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Now roll, rock and roll, tap your toes. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was the series 1 abs workout, which I have covered upper, lower and the obliques and 1 minute plank. So next video will be the series 2 with increase of variations of each lower, upper and obliques, and the variations will be more in that and more intensity in that. So we'll have 4 series of abs workout, and make sure before doing all these series, make sure you watch my previous all 3 abs workout videos, so you'll get the all correct postures, the breathing pattern, and people who have lower back pain, neck pain, like I told before the video. And make sure you maintain a healthy diet. That's more important. Only don't depend on the abs exercise. It's more always abs are made in kitchen. So hope you like the video, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.